What's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like King Carson in his new album More Chaos, and more specifically his song Kryptonite off of that album. This album just came out and I don't really know how I'm feeling about it, but Kryptonite was my favorite song on the album. You guys let me know what your favorite songs from the album was and how you felt about the album. But like overall, I thought it was a decent album and I like this song. So I decided to make a little cover of it and show you guys how I made this King Carson preset. So without further ado, I'm gonna just show you guys what King Carson's song Kryptonite sounds like.
I fucked her on the first night. I had that little her singing like she the performer and my dick the mic. This is her kryptonite. I got her demon.
So yeah, that's what King Carson sounds like on his song Kryptonite. And then obviously, as always, I'm gonna have to show you guys my raw vocals. And I don't even really want to hear this, but this is what my raw vocals sound like.
I fucked her on the first night. I had a little her singing like.
This is probably my worst raw vocals I've ever had in a video. But anyways, we turn these presets on real quick, and yeah, this is what it sounds like.
I fucked her on the first night. I had a little her singing like she the performer and my dick the mic. This is her kryptonite. I got her demon.
So yeah, that's what my preset sounds like. And these presets are fully stock. The only thing that's not stock is the AutoTune. And if you guys have a different AutoTune, these are my settings: A flat major, 4 retune speed, 15 humanize. The only thing I changed on the ad-lib is I made it a 6 retune speed and a 14 humanize. And the only other plugin that's not stock is Fresh Air, which is completely free on the Slate Digital website. All you gotta do is make an account with them, and I'll leave that link in the description below. But yeah, these presets are completely free. But if you want this entire FLP, which comes with my vocals, it comes with these automation clips set up. It also comes with the template with everything set up for you to record in. And it also comes with my Best Waves Master preset, which is $10 on my website. And this master uses Waves plugin, so if you guys don't have Waves, it also comes with a stock master as well, which is also $10 on my website. So if you do buy this FLP, you are saving money because it's only $15. You get both the masters, and you get the FLP, and you get the template. So if you guys want that, check it out. The link's in the description below. But if you guys just want the free presets, you know I'm gonna always hook you up. This main and this ad-lib preset are both in my Discord server, which is the top link in the description. So once you go to the Discord, you go to this BNVLNT presets text channel, and then they're gonna be right here at the bottom. Obviously, if you're watching this in the future, you might have to scroll up a little bit, but they're right here underneath the 2 Hollis presets. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. So if it did help you out in any way, please leave a like, comment which rapper you want to hear next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.